Before you buy a vacuum for your car seats, you need to know this. Some of the most popular car vacuums actually perform the worst on car seats. And one type of vacuum that most people completely ignore can clean things that normal vacuums can't. And that's the one that surprised me the most. The problem is, most people don't understand what kind of mess they are dealing with because cleaning car seats is not just about suction. There are two completely different problems: dry messes like dust, crumbs, and pet hair, and deep problems like stains, spills, and odor trapped inside the fabric. And here's the truth. Most vacuums for car seats are only good at one of these. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which vacuum for car seats you actually need, based on your specific problem, from handheld vacuums for car seats that handle everyday mess, to deep cleaning machines that can completely restore your car seat fabric. Let's start with the best budget option. Number 5, Black & Decker Advanced Clean Pet. If you're looking for a budget vacuum for car seats that still works well, this is a great option. It is especially useful for removing dust, crumbs, and light pet hair from car seats. The biggest advantage here is the motorized brush. Most cheap vacuums for car upholstery only rely on suction, but this one agitates the fabric, which helps remove dirt from car seats much more effectively. That means less effort and faster cleaning. It also comes with a slim rotating nozzle, which makes it easier to clean tight areas like seat edges, stitching, and corners. So if you want a simple handheld vacuum for car seats without spending too much, this is a strong choice. Number 4, Black & Decker Dustbuster Flex. Now when it comes to cleaning car seats properly, reach becomes very important because dirt and debris hide in areas that are hard to access, between seats, under rails, and inside tight gaps. This vacuum solves that problem with a flexible hose design. Instead of holding the full vacuum, you use a hose that gives you much more control. That makes it much easier to clean car seat gaps, stitching lines, and deep corners. Another benefit is comfort. You can clean longer without getting tired. If you need a vacuum for car upholstery that can reach difficult areas, this is one of the best options available. Number 3, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium Ion. If your biggest problem is pet hair on car seats, this is where most vacuums fail. Pet hair sticks deep into car seat fabric, and normal vacuums struggle to remove it. This vacuum is designed specifically as a vacuum for pet hair car seats. It includes a motorized pet tool that pulls hair out of upholstery instead of just moving it around. So instead of spreading hair across the seat, it actually removes it. It also helps trap fine particles and pet dander. So your car not only looks clean, but also feels cleaner. If you're dealing with dog or cat hair regularly, this is one of the best vacuums for car seats you can use. Number 2, Dyson Car and Boat Handheld Vacuum. If you want a premium handheld vacuum for car seats, this is where performance improves significantly. It is designed specifically for car interiors and upholstery cleaning. The suction power allows it to remove dirt from car seats more effectively than most compact vacuums. But what really makes it stand out is precision. The attachments are built for cleaning car seat surfaces, seams, and delicate materials like leather. That means you can clean thoroughly without damaging your seats. If you want a high-performance vacuum for car upholstery, this is a great choice. And now number 1, Dyson V15 Detect. If you want the best vacuum for car seats overall, this is on another level. It not only cleans, it helps you see what you're cleaning. The laser feature reveals hidden dust and debris inside your car seats and carpets. So instead of guessing, you can clean more accurately. It also includes an anti-tangle tool, which is perfect for removing pet hair from car seats without clogging. And the suction power is strong enough to pull deeply embedded dirt from fabric. If you want the most powerful and advanced car seat cleaning vacuum, this is the ultimate option. Now here's the part most people completely miss. If your problem is not just dirt, but stains, spills, or bad smells, a vacuum alone will not fix that. For deep cleaning car seat fabric, you need a different type of machine. So to quickly recap, if you want a budget vacuum for car seats, go with Black & Decker Advanced Clean Pet. If you need better reach for tight areas, the Dustbuster Flex is a great option. If you need a vacuum for pet hair car seats, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser works extremely well. If you want a premium handheld vacuum for car seats, the Dyson Car and Boat is a strong choice. And if you want the best vacuum for car seats overall, the Dyson V15 Detect is the ultimate option. But if you want to check the latest prices for these vacuums for car seats, you can find the links in the description below. And if you want more videos about the best vacuum for car seats and car cleaning tools, consider subscribing, because choosing the right vacuum for car seats makes cleaning faster, easier, and much more effective.